pleasure to invite the Reverend James Bagwan to dedicate the commission.
Ambassador Alan Balavo, Permanent Secretary
of Korea. Ambassador Pinyana, thank you.
And during that time, I lived in a Korean community. I spent to Korea. One experiences. First, I have therefore some.
Pinyana, Tani Mugiela Balavo. Do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law. And I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. Dignity and integrity to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter.